So we're going to work on that today, and y'all can watch it also later on and practice it at home also. One of the things that we're going to do is I will mute y'all so you can still hear me, and we'll go through some of your class stuff, and there's going to be some times that I'm going to come up and say, okay, can you hear me good? Thumbs up if you can, thumbs down. And then if you can hear the music, thumbs up, thumbs down. Okay? So we're going to get started. And let's spread out, and we will kind of stretch just a little bit here. All right, here we go. All right. Now, okay. Now, spread out. Make sure you got plenty of room. And stretch to the side. Okay, stretch to the side. Stretch all the way up. Open. Good. Now plie down. And stand. Plie down. And stand. Tendu to second. Plie. And straighten. Plie. And straighten. Plie. Stretch to that side. Good job, girls. To the other side. Now, slide that foot into fifth position. Plie and straighten. Plie and straighten. I want you to bring your arm up. Stretch it back. Bring both arms up. Elevate all the way up. And turn all the way around. Good. Now, put your feet back in first position. We're going to stretch to the other side. Now, so feet in first. Plie and straighten. Plie and straighten. Give me one more. Plie. Now, we didn't do this the first time. Stretch over, brush that floor. Bring that arm up. Open. Good. Time to second position. Plie and straighten. Plie and straighten. Plie. Stretch to the side. Stretch to the other side. Now with that other foot, you're going to slide it into fifth position. Plie down. And straighten. Plie down. Give me one more. Plie down. And stretch back. Arch it back. Arms come up. And turn. And down. Very good. Good job. Very good. Okay. Now, go ahead and find you a spot. Now, put your feet out in front, point your toes. Pull them back. Point your toes. And pull them back. Point one foot. Pull them back. Now the other foot. And pull them back. Can you reach over and grab those toes? And stretch up. One more time, grab those toes. And stretch up. Straddle out. Stretch over. And up. Stretch over. And up. Stretch to the middle. Bring your feet together. Butterfly. And stretch over. Now over your shoulder. Turn and look over your other shoulder. Look up and down. Tilt your head and tilt. Good job. Okay, now I'm gonna stop our music for just a second. And in our dance, we are working on a couple of steps, and I'm gonna kind of run through a couple of them just without music and stuff like that, so that when you see them on your video, you can understand what Miss Patricia's doing. Rond de jambe, round the leg, or you know it kind of makes the letter B. Stand up, and I just want you to go from fifth position, point your toe, and remember just circle, closing and back, circle, closing and back. Good job, girls. Circle, closing and back. Now, with rond de jambe, you can travel backwards and forward. So, you're going to do both in your dance. So, you're going to circle forward, close fifth, forward, close fifth, forward, close fifth, forward, close fifth. Now, in your dance, you're going to notice that Miss Patricia's doing something a little different. I'm doing a rond de jambe with a demi. So I'm going to bend, and I'm going to circle and then straighten. Circle and straighten. Circle and straighten. Circle and straighten. Now we're going to reverse it. So we're going to go back, circle, 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 and circle. Okay, that's your rond de jambe. The other step in your dance is, and you do this 2 times with your right foot, 2 times with your left foot, and it's just a tendu, 2, 3, and you're going to step arabesque, 1, 2, 3, step arabesque, pass to the back. Then you repeat with your left foot, 1, 2, 3, arabesque, 1, 2, 3, arabesque, pass to the back. From there, let's say you do your rond de jambes, you do your sachet, which we've done sachet arabesque where you're here, sachet, here, sachet, here, sachet, here. We've been working on PKs, and we were working on PKs where we were using the bar, and you step forward and up. You're gonna do PKs where I'm facing you, and we're gonna do 3 to the right, 3 to the left. For right now, put your hands on your hips, okay? And I'm gonna just step, make the letter number 4. Now, if you notice, my kneecap is not to the front, it's actually pointing to the other wall. So it's up and out, up and out, up. Now, go the other way. Up and out, up and out. Good, 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 good. Okay, shake your arms out, because I'm gonna add some arms to this, okay? Good. We're traveling this way. So, this leg and this arm are out. This one is up over your head. PK 1, PK 2, PK 3. Change direction. So this arm and this leg now. 1, 2, 3, and down. Okay, so you got the PKs, you got the rond de jambes. The other thing is that pirouette. We were working, you do your prep, step back, and turn, okay? I want you to work on that this week for your pirouette. Okay. Here is the most important thing. Échappé changement. We are going to do, starting in 5th position, you're going to jump out to 2nd, change feet, and close in 5th. One thing with this, be very, very careful that you don't put your heel on your big toe because that hurts sometimes if you stomp it down. So step lightly. Jump out, close fifth. Jump out, close fifth. Jump out, close fifth. Jump out, close fifth. All right. This is called échappé changement. Changement means to change, and you're changing. Échappé means jumping out to second position. All right. In your dance, and I explained this in the video, there are 4 of you. Olivia is group 1, Michaela's going to be group 2, Abby's going to be group 3, Eileen's going to be group 4. Kind of like a ripple, but each of you is going to do your own set of échappés, and it's 4 of them, and then pose. And so you end up posing like this, waiting until you go again. So, and it's not going to be everybody all at the same time. So it'll be Olivia going for 4, then Michaela going for 4, Abby going for 4, Eileen going for 4, and everybody else is posing, and then it repeats. Olivia goes again, Michaela goes again, Abby goes again, and Eileen goes again. And on Eileen's 4th one, after she finishes her 4th one, everybody does it together for 4. And then we start the dance back over again. So that kind of, you have to do 4. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4. And you always end up with your right foot back in front. So you got 4, right, left, and that right leg ends up back in front. So do me a favor. Everybody try it with me. Ready? And 1, 2, 3, 4, close. Good. Can we try it one more time? Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, close. All right. So that is part of your dance. I'm going to try to walk through it if I can remember everything. If I can't, just know that you got the video today, and I've got my notes, but these are like my handwritten notes, and I finished it today and typed it up, but I haven't printed it. So, and I want to show you, just like I showed you on the, on your video. I don't want to start it, I just want to show you, so you can see what to look for when you, okay. That's the album that it's on for, it's the Nutcracker, and you'll know because it's got the little man on there. And trying to see, it's 71 is what it is, Dance of the Sugar Plum Fairy is what it should be. It's not rolling, it's not scrolling and letting me see it. See if it'll play across the screen. Okay, so now, let me find the song again. Sorry, girls. All right. Now, I'm going to walk through it just a little bit, and then we'll see. We should have time. We may try it with the music today just to see. And like I said, I worked on it earlier, about an hour ago, so I'm going to try to see if I can do it from memory. I may not be able to. Okay, so the music starts. Everybody is standing in 5th position. You're going to do putty bourrée, which is point backside front to a step suit new turn. So point, and I want you to come up on your toes. Y'all are getting older, so that when you do back, you're up on a releve. Okay, so here we go. Point, back, side, front, step, suit new turn. Now go to the other side. Point, back, side, front, step, suit new turn. Here it goes to your rond de jambe, which we already went over your rond de jambe. Circle to the back, close fit. 2 more. 1 more. Now we have to reverse it going forward. 1, 2, 3, and 4. From here, you go into your sachet arabesque. Sachet arabesque. 2, 3, and 4. Here's your prep for your pirouette turn, and close. Now, once you've done that, you go into the point, 2, 3, arabesque, point, 2, 3, arabesque, passe to the back. Now left foot, 1, 2, 3, arabesque, 1, 2, 3, arabesque, passe. Here's where we're to your PKs. Remember, moving to the right 3 times. Arm is out, toe is out, arm up over your head. PK 1. And if you don't have a lot of room, you can do them in place. I forgot to say that, okay? Just 1, 2, 3. Change direction. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Here's where it goes to the échappé chargements. Remember? And I'm going to try to go through it. So Olivia's going to go first. So here's hers. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here's Michaela's. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here's Abby. So Abby's going to go 1, 2, 3, 4. Now here's Eileen. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? Then it repeats again. Olivia's going to go. Michaela's going to go. All right, ready? Abby, 1, 2, 3, 4. Then Eileen, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, then everybody, 1, 2, 3, 4, and close. And then it repeats. You go back to your back, side, front, step, to new turn, back, side, front, step, to new turn, the rond de jambes, and then you end up posing. So, let's try it. Whew, I'm hot. I'm going to turn the fans on. Let's try it with the music. Those échappé chargements are, whew, they get you winded a little bit. All right, so remember that this song is, and this version is Dance to the Reed Flute. Reed Pipes is what it's saying. Okay, so that's not what I want. Trying to pull up one of the other. And it kind of starts off slow, okay? Let me start it back over. Thumbs up. Can y'all hear that music okay or not? Thumbs up? Okay. All right, I'm going to turn it up just a little bit. Hopefully you can hear me and it. Okay, feet in, fifth. Point, back, side, front. Step to new turn. Down, point, back, side, front. Step to new turn. And down. Rond de jambe. Back. 2, 3. Now bring it forward. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Sachet arabesque. 2 more. 1 more. Here's your prep. And turn. And down. And point. 2, 3. Arabesque. 1, 2, 3. Arabesque. Passe. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. And passe. PK. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. All right, fifth position. I'll tell you when to go. Here's Olivia. 1, 2, 3. three. Here's Olivia. 1, 2, 3. Michaela. 1, 2, 3. Abby. 1, 2, 3, 4. Eileen. 2, 3. Here's everybody. 1, 2, 3, 4. Woo! And point. Back, side, front, turn. Other side, point. Back, side, front. Step, city, turn. Now, Ron Deshawn. 2, 3. Now bring it forward. Almost done. Yay! Woo! Okay. I don't know about y'all, but woo! Those escapades wear me out. Good job. All right, so that gives you something to practice for your ballet. And I know that I'm not done yet with your tap dance. I'm still working on it, and I may have it, probably we'll try to have it finished by this weekend so that y'all can start working on it. I do know we have a really good part of it already done. So we're just gonna fine tune. I've got 2 more. Got your tap dance and one of the other classes tap dance to finish, but then I'll have everybody else's stuff done. So this will give you something to work on. I want you to really work on your PKs this week. Remember, point that toe, arm is out. I don't want to see your kneecap shining at me. I want to see it shining to the side. So you've got to work on that turnout in your hips. So 1, point, 2, point, 3, point. And if you notice, don't bend that leg. Don't have ugly toes either. You want pointed toes. Going to either side. 1, 2, and 3. Your escapades, make sure that you are landing in 5th position, changing front, back, so that you get a good 5th position. The Ron de Jambe, I know that I talked to you about that leg being bent just a little bit. You want it just a little bit because it still has to hold your weight, and it straightens as you close it back together, okay? So just keep that in mind this week as you're practicing, and you can go to our YouTube channel, and the tap dances or the recital dances are actually on a private page. So you'll have to get that from the Facebook. It'll have the invite on there. All right, so I'm gonna come to you individually, and I want you to show me. I'm gonna come to Abby. I'm gonna unmute you. Abby, do you want to show me your PK or your Ron de Jambe?
Ron de Jambe.
Okay, let me see. You want me to do it with you?
Yeah.
Sure. Okay, here we go. All right, ready? And circle, 2, 3, and 4. Now bring it forward. 1, 2, 3, 4. Take a gorgeous bow. Good job. Thank you, thank you, thank you. All right. Okay, so Eileen, which do you want to show me? Your PK or your Ron de Jambe?
Ron de Jambe.
You want me to do it with you or by yourself?
With you.
Okay. Here we go. Ready? And circle 1, 2, 3, and bring it back forward. 1, 2, 3, and 4. And take a bow. Good job. Very, very good. Okay. Now, I want y'all to know that I appreciate y'all getting on our Zoom call with us today. And I miss y'all so much. I would rather y'all be here in this classroom with me but at least I get to see y'all and talk to y'all. I hope you have a wonderful, wonderful week, and I will see you next week, okay? Does that sound good? All right, hugs and kisses. Love y'all. Bye, girls.